Imagine you could turn $100 into a life-changing sum of money, all while learning the ins and outs of investing in the process. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do just that. We'll break down the process into simple, actionable steps that anyone can follow. No financial expertise required. To start, you'll need a platform to invest through. Some popular options include Robinhood, Fidelity, or Vanguard. These platforms offer a range of investment options, from stocks and ETFs to index funds and mutual funds. For this example, we'll use Robinhood, but the steps will apply regardless of which platform you choose. Now, let's get started with the basics. The first step is to open a trading account with your chosen platform. This will require some basic personal and financial information, such as your name, address, and social security number. This step is typically quick and painless, and most platforms will guide you through the process. Once you've opened your account, it's time to fund it